On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Let's get this party started. What's going on? What's going on? Gang, 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 gang. My God. So here we are. Good morning to every single one of you guys. Oh, we're messing with our VPN. That is what we've concluded what the problem is. Okay, VPN. It's our viral protection network. All right, because we're viral, baby. We're viral. How we all doing? Good morning to every single one of you guys. Hope you're having a wonderful morning. Sorry for the little bit of a delay. We're getting a little bit of a dump. A little dump. Nah, it's a little move down. It'll be okay. It'll be all right. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Let's get some otters in the chat. It's been a while. You know, we used to pride ourselves on the invasion of otters in other people's stream, right? There is no better otter than the Otter Gang, okay? The OGs of the absolute crypto world. You guys, this is why we do this. Like, I mean, I could not come on here and we could just chat in the Discord. But we're here. We're here and we say good morning. We have a good time. We talk a lot of smack. We make fun of open mouth thumbnails. That's it. That's it. We make lots of money. Let's go. A little bit of a rollover this morning. Okay, everybody's going to be talking about inverse head and shoulders. Come on. Everybody's drawn this morning, okay? How can we avoid these people? That is always the question. You always got to ask yourself, how can I avoid these people? Okay? We got to avoid these people. We're going to avoid these people. We're going to say hello to all of you people because you guys are the reason why we're here. Okay? Today we have taken off ads. We're doing a little ad experiment, okay? We're doing a little ad experiment. Okay? We're going to see. Oh, it doesn't want to show me the chat. Okay, chat can go back then. I can see otters over here then. Don't pop out the chat. That's weird. It doesn't want to pop out the chat. So, I mean, we could be looking for a breakout this morning, or we could front run this morning. There we go. Thank you for loading. Thank you for loading. Thank you for loading. You guys are incredible. Look at that. Look at that. Otters everywhere. Everybody looking at this. All right. To me, this is a descending channel. Okay. Are we overly bullish? I don't know, man. I don't think so. Maybe that was our short that we just missed. Okay. Maybe it was. We'll figure it out today. We always figure it out. And guess what? If you stayed out of that long yesterday, you did a great job. Okay. There wasn't really much. There was this zigzaggy shit yesterday, but it wasn't really good to trade, in my opinion. Okay. I took a little wee scalp from here up to here yesterday. That's it. A little fart in the wind yesterday. You could have taken this short yesterday, but we've covered that. We've talked about that. We know why we didn't take it. We don't want to be at risk in this environment, okay? We don't want to be a victim of the elevator down, okay? Because we're in very much territory of the elevator down. Let's say good morning to everybody, okay? Good morning, Chadwick's Racing. Forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly today. Let's go, man. Osmer, what's going on? Mr. Osmer 90, Father Time, Otter Gang. Good to see you guys. Shout out to all the members there in the Discord. I mean, you guys are incredible. A great day. It is good morning, good evening from the other side. See what we did there? Good morning, Maddox. Good morning. How y'all doing? Lot more crypto. Let's get it. Good morning, my Otter gang. Let's go, Massey. How you doing, man? Morning. Today, I'm in the land of maple syrup and poutine. Maybe he's in Quebec. Maybe he's in the Québécois area. Et tu parles français. Et bonjour. Et comment ça va? Ça va bien? Et tu? Okay, that's the extent of my French. I actually took a lot of French in school. Jeffrey, Stone Cipher. What's going on? Good morning, peeps, says Maureen. Good morning to you. Hope you're having a wonderful morning. Happy Tuesday to all of you guys. Father Time, Luke Zaldana with the Otters and the Sky High. Maybe we get Nono to do a video. Maybe we'll ask Nono if he wants to do a video today. Chadwick's Racing, good day. Aaron, no way already? Yeah. So Schaefer and I went through and set up the VPN a little bit better so it like prioritizes things and then it makes other things run faster, and it's just a shit show. It is, but we survived. We already have 100 people in here. Thank you so much for being here, everybody. Hopefully we can find some trades this morning. Super offers. I remembered. Good morning, Alex. Thank you for everything. Have a great day. Thank you as well. That's very kind of you to say. I appreciate the kind words. We got Otters and Coffee, Massey. Let's go. Let's go, Maureen. C90, what's going on? Hey, yo, what's going on? We got a pretty good poll today. Come on. We got a pretty good poll today. Make sure you vote in there. I mean, everybody else just goes Bitcoin up or Bitcoin down. 40,000 or 80,000. You pick. Like, come on. You got to have some creativity in your polls, right? Trader Geo's in the chat. What's going on? Good morning to you, man. Good morning. 64, 71, 44, minus 74, plus 0. Bitcoin's going to 62, maybe. 62, I think, would get everybody pretty puckered. We'll see if we get there. Jay Violet, good to see you. Good morning to you. Luke Zaldana, Father Time, Hodl Crypto. Wow, look at all these people in here. You guys are incredible. Thank you for being here. Okay. Hodl Crypto, Aaron Erdunga. Erdunga. Induranga. I just called you Indunga. Oh, man. Pump or dump, Otter Peeps. So right now it's a descending channel. Nothing too special. Everybody's drawing their head and shoulders, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes. Okay, we're not in that group. Oh, that hurted. I had commented on that. Ooh, did I get you, Al Jr.? I'm sorry. Is that the inverse head and shoulders? I mean, we're aware of it. It doesn't mean that it's gonna play like a lot of people are like, okay, it's gonna, you take this line, you take the stick, and you move this stick up here. That's your measure move. I don't know. Like, I wouldn't trade it like that. There's a way to trade it, and there's a way to just trade it as a breakout reaction to price, kind of coming up, grabbing liquidity, some order blocks in here. We'll see. We'll see if we get there. A little bit of a rollover, getting everybody who was pumpy this morning a little bit down in the dumpies, okay? What's going on, Luke Zaldana? Mad love to you. Good to see you, Pamela. I'm kidding. Pamela, what's going on? Honest opinions. Yes, but did you like the stream? See? Pamela knows. Like, you gotta like the stream. Weak red dot, daily weak bearish. Yes, 64 is more likely than 62. Both would be healthy. Yeah, absolutely. I think that's what I can agree on too, is that like this is coming down, right? Zoop, right? This is coming down. How it gets down is totally up to the market maker. We just want to position ourselves accordingly. Okay? This is coming down. We'll go through it. Don't worry. We always do. Thank you, everybody. Keep saying good morning. I need to make sure, even if you're a lurker, I need to see the lurkers in here, because sometimes, the lurkers don't get as much respect as they deserve. Let's profit. Absolutely. Big time mindset. Good morning. St. Louis coin. Good morning, legends. Good morning to you. Mark Dutch. What's going on, bro? Let's see some clogs in the chat. I will put some Mark Dutch clogs in the chat just to participate, okay? Wix 589, what's going on? The Wicks are in the house. What's up? Good morning to you. Wick 1 and Wick 2. Superstars. I think Wick 2 right here. This one takes priority. Wick's wife. What's going on? Good to see you guys. Thank you so much for being a part of the gang. We love you here. Buck, good morning to you. J Violet WW. What is this? This emoji is not showing up on my screen. What is this thing? Afternoon, Guile, Little Fish, good morning to you. Hope you're having a wonderful morning. L. Jones, good to see you. It's Tuesday. Yeah, that's how the British say Tuesday. It's Tuesday. It's not Tuesday. Let's go. I love it. And it sounds like they're chewing on something. Oh, man. RMT's in the chat. What's going on, Retro Mike Tech? Let's see some RMT's in the chat. Oh, man. Everybody's here. Edda's, good day from Lithuania. Awesome. That's a first, I think. Thank you for blessing me with your Lithuanian self. Welcome, Lithuania, to wonderful chat. Links, hit the like button. Okay, I can agree with that. Wick plus wife. Yes, wick plus wife. That's easy math. Wick plus wife equals love. It's just love. It just is, right? Aaron, good morning to you. Aaron's my backup PC guy. I love you, Aaron. Thank you so much. Matt Eagle, good morning to you. Huddle Crypto, Wick J. Matt, Zelda was nice. We like Zelda. Actually, I didn't play too much Zelda. I mean, it just seemed a little bit airy-fairy to me, but I mean, I don't want to lose subscribers, so Zelda's great. No. I'm convinced that RMT wakes up and eats shredded wheat and enjoys it. Oh. Oh, man. That's the Matrix stuff right there, right? You don't get the golden arches. We get the red arches. Yeah, exactly. Massey, good morning to you, lasers. Bring back the love. 1 for 5 years. His name was Gibby. God bless you, Gibby. May you rest in peace, Gibby. That's awesome. That's it, right? I mean, the poll's a good one this morning, right? It's hard, right? Either it's greed, love, joy. It's not easy, right? Losing a loved one. We need an emoji for the number 2 wick. Oh. Okay. Well, we'll have to get rid of one of these in here. I don't think YouTube will let me put in one of them. I don't want to say it, but the one that's up for grabs right now is definitely LBC and Brumbelow. These are the 2 that are up for grabs right now. LBC and Brumbelow. I love both of them, but the wicks have been showing up more than LBC and Brumbelow. So maybe these two are on the chopping block. These two are on the chopping block. Man, that would be like living through the pain all over again. Yeah, that's the thing is like, what happens when 5 years comes along? You're just like, all right, bro, it's been good. It's been good. Go back 5 years. You guys are all going back to buy Bitcoin. You guys are all going back. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. You guys are going back to buy Bitcoin. What was Bitcoin 5 years ago from today? Rewind tool. Where's the rewind tool? Where's the select date? 5 years ago today. Don't make it that hard on me. Okay, we'll just do it by TradingView is a great program until it's not a great program, right? We got to go all the way back to 2019. 2019 in October. October 2019. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So you're going to go back to here 5 years. You're going to buy Bitcoin. Well, you know the COVID dump's coming. You all know the COVID dump would be coming, right? So you're going to set limit orders, right? You go back in 2019. You're going to set limit orders. Make sure you go, if you're going back in time, make sure you're setting limit orders at $4,000, at $5,000. Just set it at $5,000 so it gets filled. I would buy so much pardon my French, I'd buy so much fucking Bitcoin. And I'd sell it all here. I'm sorry, but I'd sell it. I just said limit sells at 62,000. I don't need the top. Yeah, a nice, beautiful little 13x there. Yeah? What do you guys think? Is that what you would do if you went back 5 years? And you start eating better and you quit smoking. I think that's what you guys all would do, right? Oh, man. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Rolling over yet again. What would you do if you went back 5 years? I'm really curious. Like, what is the How would you recommend a day trader to chart support and resistance levels for scalping? What time frames do you recommend? You wouldn't. So I do have a video on this. A free tool indicator. Let me see if I can find it for you. But obviously, I love my support and resistance. Okay, so this is my support and resistance levels on Bybit. However, I use fixed range volume profile to do it. So I will isolate volume with the fixed range volume profile tool. This one here. Whoop, pull that over. You get a bunch of little levels in here. You mark it out with volume and candle closes. Okay, that's how I do it. I have a video on it. I can find it for you. But that's how I mark it out. And they're typically 1% apart from each other. Okay, because that's what I'm looking to capture every day. 1%. Capture that. I want to be in the 1%, so I'm capturing the 1% daily. And that's my scalping strategy, really. In a nutshell. There's a bunch of new videos that I've recorded that you can go and check out if you would like. Let me see if I can find the one for you that I recently recorded on that support and resistance. Yeah, this one. Here. Share. And where's the chat? The chat is over here. There's this one here. I'd check out this video. That's how I do it. Ooh, look at this dump, baby. Everybody getting too bullish this morning. Too bullish. Okay. So what are we looking for? Let's get into it, guys. and gals. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. We got 120 people in here. Let's get into the top-down analysis. I think I've said hello to everyone who wanted to say good morning to you. And those who didn't say good morning, good morning. Good morning. Mad love to every single one of you guys. You guys are incredible. And thank you for being here. Okay. If I had to pick one in that poll, yeah, I'd probably go back 5 years. But the last 5 years have been incredible. Like I met my wife. I've been sober for over 5 years. I traveled the earth. I did a whole lap around the earth. I went to England, Scotland, Australia, Greece, Portugal, Bali, you name it. Okay. I worked in multiple countries. Then I came home. I've been here with my grandparents. I've had an amazing 5 years. So I'm not going to really shit on my last 5 years. I don't think I could do it better. I mean, so give me the 5 mil and that's it. Okay. Little roll over here. So looking, this is coming down. We're looking for an SFP down below. Will we get it? I don't think so. Okay. This is looking a little bit rolly. We'll see if we do. Silver's pumping yesterday. Someone asked me to look at silver. It's the first time in a long time to. Hey, Long John Silver. Do you mind taking a look at that? Sui rolling over. We were looking for a long here on Sui. Not so good. Okay, it did push initially, but it is rolling over. That to me is invalidated. Okay. Alt's taking a little bit of a beating. Obviously, Bitcoin dominance is probably going up. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's starting to push back up. Okay. So Bitcoin trying to sweep the lows. Can it hold this support, right? That's kind of where we're at right now. I was looking at this, the 4-day prints today. So this will be an interesting printing of a candle. Looking at the 4-day, really coming back. It's coming back. So tweezer top. We don't want to see this close around 66,000, let's call it. Tweezer top, 66,000 is not something we want to hit today. Will we hit it? We don't know. We don't know what today brings. All we know is that we don't want to see this engulf, right? We don't want to see this come back down and engulf this. Therefore, you're probably looking for some downside before continuation, okay? So that's something that I'm watching today for the candle print. Posturing to the downside. Still got a lot of room to the upside. Going over the daily is the concern right now. So we're all rolling over. Everything is rolling over. All four of the indicators on Market Cipher are rolling over. Do we have anything on A? No. Yeah, so not looking good. Volume's coming out as well. Okay? Volume coming up, volume coming out. Divergence in volume, suggesting a little bit of weakness. Okay? A little bit of weakness. So we're watching that as well. Daily looks like dog shit. So we're watching that. Now we can get into the hopium, okay? Oh, this is where we get the hopeful. Hopium is within under the 12-hour, okay? So under the 12-hour, we have a little bit of resetting starting, okay? I hate giving people the hopium because people just trade hopium, right? People are like, okay, we're going up. It's like, I did not say we're going up. Lunar Beach is crypto. What's going on, man? I just told them that the LBC emoji's up for grabs. If someone wants, you're competing with the Wix. The Wix want your emoji spot, bro. There's only so many emoji spots for everyone. Even Crypto Pollo's got an emoji. Look at the chicken. We got chickens as well. Everybody's emojis up for grabs, except for the otter and except for no. Alex Crypto, Lunar Beaches. What's going on, brother? The Wicks are coming for your emojis, man. You better be careful. Captain Kirk, what's going on? Good to see you. Mafia Mama. What's going on? Good to see you. Oh, man. So the 12-hour, here's the hopium, okay? Here is the hopium. Good to see you, Kirk. It's been a while. Hope you're doing well. God bless you. Oh man, so many good people here. So this is everybody's getting a little puckered here, rolling over. Where are we coming down to? What are we looking for? So the hopium's in this, the curvature here. We got curvature here on the VWAP on the 12-hour. This needs to reset still, okay? This can still trickle down. Zero line would be ideal for stochastics, but there's hopium here. This can flatten out and come like this. And we look for that. This is hopium. Very big hopium. Okay, in my opinion, this is going to do something like this. And this is where we should be looking for the long. Not here. This is not an area where you look for a long on a 12-hour, okay? This is nice to see. VWAP will lead the charge. This will curve up. Okay, so we're watching this, but we're not getting over, you can't be smoking that stuff. It's not good for you, okay? It's not good for you. Now, Captain Kirk, good to see you. Headed to bed in a few. Have a good night, Captain Kirk. Good to see you. Good to see you. Let me know when the Wix sends you a Bitcoin onesie. Lunar Beaches did send me a Bitcoin onesie. I gotta threaten him sometimes. Because he's family. He knows he's family. I just gotta keep him on check, Oh man. Okay, so trigger wave 8 hour. Trigger wave 8 hour starting to form. VWAP posturing to the upside. Bearish divergence on price action, right? So we got the bearish divergence price action here. Trigger wave down below. So this can play like this. For me, I typically use the 8 hour for money flow. Okay, money flow has been absolutely stellar on the 8 hour. Okay, so we remain high here, but whenever we peak on money flow, which is looking like it is, it tends to roll over. What happens when it rolls over? Well, you get a correction of like 10%, typically. You look at, if this is anything to tell you what we're doing right now, okay, so look, this looks very similar to the one before. Yes, we're bearish diverging. Yes, we were bearish diverging here, right? So similar thing, okay? And then we corrected, right? So if we correct, and these look the same, right? This is what, 10%? I think I measured it. Yeah, 10%. So if we're going 10%, that's 62,000. Easy. That's easy, 62,000. Hey, Alex, do you have a paid Discord? Yes, we do. It's $1 a day. It's $20 a month. You get signals from me, Kyle, and then Brewberry does live sessions. I do live sessions as well. It's a pretty awesome Discord. We'd love to have you, man. We'd love to have you. Lots of good testimonials in there if you want to read them, if you want to know what you get, all that good stuff. I mean, nice and cheap, too. Nice and cheap. It's good to be cheap, right? We always talk about being cheap. We can read some testimonials from some of our fellow otters if you want. You guys don't need to know. Look, there's, from Alex's Premium. If you haven't, you might consider it. It's way worth it. Solana, Lana, long. Solana, Lana, long, long. Look at this. My account started. It's all there. People are crushing it. Okay, you get to talk with me directly. I will answer all your questions as much as possible. I will fill you in on all the goods. I will give you the ideas in the morning. The alt ideas that I have. Kyle, trade setups. Brewberry, lives, entries, setups. There's almost too much information here. It's incredible. Look at the TIA trade from Brewberry. Whoo-wee. And if you don't want to pay for it, come over anyways. We have a free section. We have alt TA. We have a great community here. Very active. We're all happy-go-lucky here. Built on kindness. Okay, it's all built on kindness. Where we're like family here. We're all here and working together to solve the complex market. It's never an easy job, but you know what? Doing it together makes it easy. Okay? I'm almost out of coffee. Unacceptable. Dang, that's a bummer. Okay. I should have made 2 this morning. Sorry, I'm unprepared. I was dealing with the VPN. So the Hopium's there. We've come back down. We've retested trend line just now. Literally just now. Trying to hold on for dear life. Are we going to fire off a long or are we going to fire off a short? That is the question today. We do have earnings reports. I wasn't fully aware, but we do have earnings reports coming out this week. We have we do have Coca-Cola and Tesla and Boeing tomorrow. That would be interesting to see. But a lot of earnings coming in. This is going to be interesting to see how it affects the market. Need to be paying attention to this stuff because it's going to affect the market because they want to see strength, right? They want to see strength in the market. I don't necessarily know if they will see strength. Okay? So we're testing a trend line right now, going into the 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1. What are we looking for? Okay, so literally, this is nice. There's Hopium here, okay? There's Hopium here, curvature here, okay? We had a nice aggressive push back to the VWAP, a little bit of a rejection, concerning, okay? The mouth has opened, okay? Whenever the mouth has opened, the gap closes, okay? So this RSI could snap to the stochastics RSI, and we could have an uptrend. Not saying it's going to happen, but this when they get very separated is weakness in the move, okay? Weakness in the move. When they snap together, that is strength. When they are together, that's strong RSI, okay? Strong. When they're apart, that is weakness, okay? Strong downtrend. Brr. Strong uptrend. Rah. Okay, I'll make the noises for you. Strong uptrend, right? So now weak downtrend, separation, looking to come together, okay? Okay? We'll see. We'll see. I ain't giving you the peace pipe here. We ain't smoking the Hopium today. We're just being aware, okay? The 3 hour, attempting to cross up the 0 line. Money is still coming out pretty aggressively. That's the only concern right here. Same thing with the separation of stochastics and the RSI on market cipher. Failure to get above the 0 line. This is showing weakness. We can also see there is a nice downtrend in money flow here, suggesting coming out. Okay, it's coming out. Money's coming out, right? Whereas you want to see the VWAP crossover, this roll up, right? But whenever you get something like this, like a wave like this, what you're looking for is that lower momentum wave. You're looking for this one. And sometimes this one. Okay? You're not looking to trade these ones. You're waiting for the divergence or the trigger wave. You don't want to participate in these ugly little knuckles. You want to get the thumb. That's a good way of looking at it. So if I'm holding a fist, if this is your hand and this is your fist, right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, you want to get the thumb. This is your thumb. You want to get the thumb. That's a pretty easy way of thinking about it. Just came up with that now. Off the top, baby. Off the top. Okay? Jason Casper calls it big nipples, okay? You want to get the final nipple. Okay? I like the stegosaurus when you see it up at the top. We'll keep the stegosaurus. This is a fist, okay? You want to get the thumb. That's the one you want to get. Okay? View up crossover. A little bit of Hopium here. Holding here, exhaustion to the downside, failure to lose this level. We know there's good support here. It's going to take some strength to drop through here. Doesn't mean we're going to get it. Okay? 1 hour. Inverse head and shoulders. Indecision here. Indecision. Low volume. Okay? Volume coming out. Hopefully we see this pick up for today into our market open. That's the Hopium. So we could be looking for a potential breakout continuation, right? Or an SFP and continuation. We haven't taken the low yet. Okay, we got higher lows coming in. We'll take a look at this here. 24-minute. Yeah, higher low. Anchor trigger. Money coming slightly in on our short-term time frame. Rolling over. I would like to see something like this. Not there yet. Not there yet. Okay. Alex, can you explain the reef move? Was it a rug pull or a healthy pullback? Good morning, Pollo. Good to see you, man. I can take a look at it for you. Jeez, that's a rug. Jesus. You're back within the range again. That's disgusting. Welcome to crypto, baby. Welcome to crypto, baby. You're Jesus. Now, how do you identify a rug? I guess you'd have to go on chain and see who is selling, right? It was an unsustainable pump, says Kirk. Yeah. That's that's not. We're back within the range. Lots of liquidity up high. Like, oof, my God. 5x. Wow. Look at the. That's so mean. Wow. Pardon me. Pardon me. That's not something I would want to be in. Like this is healthy market structure. Pardon me, guys. This is healthy. Sweep up and absolute tank on people. So this looks like a rug in my opinion. Small correction, says Massey. Holy shit. We have key levels down here and it's just back within the range. So really like yeah, that's nasty. Did anybody short this thing? Terra Luna collapsed, I'm guessing. Back into bear market lows. Failure to get above. Back down. Retrace. I mean, you're just simply back in the range. What you need to do is, if this is a potential buy, you need to go look at on-chain data and see if, major holders were just rugging people, right? Besides that, this is just a big old liquidity sweep, right? Yeah, right back into your 786 gold platinum pocket area. You wanted to make me smile this morning. Pollo, you always make me smile, man. If you want to hear Pollo's beautiful voice, Billy Goat Tales, tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be there or be square. I'll be there, okay? I'm always there. I'm always there. Billy Goat Tales tonight, giver's game mentality, built on respect, love, all that good stuff, man. We'll be sharing it out. Make sure you guys come tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to Billy Goat Tales. Crypto Pollo's part of that. Crypto Billy, Red Man, all the crew. All the crew. This is... Guys, don't buy shit like this, okay? This is what you get when you join crypto. This is welcome to Ethereum Gamma chart, right? If we're looking at the Ethereum Gamma chart that we have here. This is when Larry Fink talked to Grandma. He told Grandma to buy the top. We go over this all the time. Larry, you told me to buy Ethereum. Larry, I'm not impressed. I'm going to talk to your mother, Larry. I am down 37%. Oh, man. Meeting time doesn't work now. How inconvenient these meeting times are. Retro Mike Tech, I thought you're going to stay here forever with us, bro. RMT, is ADA a good buy? Or is it a good Buy. Good answer. Okay. No trade yet. Okay, we're gonna get into it. I think I need to make more coffee. I gotta make more coffee, guys. This is unsustainable. You should join on our Sunday Billy Goat Tail bloopers this Sunday, 5 p.m. I was in the chat this weekend. I could have jumped on, but I had my son with me. But yeah, I will always jump on and support you guys. I love Billy Goat Tail. So Sunday bloopers, 5 p.m. Okay, I'll see if I'm not busy. I'm trying to get in as much golf as I can before the season's over. Not gonna lie. We got 150 people here, 65 likes. Thank you everybody for being here. We're going to make money off of this today, one way or another. Okay, one way or another. I'm going to make more coffee because I need to. Okay. Thank you so much for being here. Do I have to put on some music for you guys? Are you guys wanting some music? I got two songs. I got a really like Christian rock crypto song, and then I have my opening song. I think you guys prefer my song, so I'm gonna put that on. Put it on repeat. I think it's playing. Is it playing? It's playing. Okay, I'll be right back.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit lit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gains. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though.
I don't think it could have been any faster. Oh, look, the price hasn't moved.
Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo.
The price hasn't moved, so we're all right. Those who stuck, those who stayed around, man, you guys are real ones. We still got 100 people in here. Holy. You guys must want to make money. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang.
What you know about juice?
All right, we're back. We're back. Price. So this looks like it wants to roll over right now. Triple top. Looks like it wants to lose this support. Coming down. What does the Dixie tell us? The Dixie tells us, oh, how's our UMO meter? We haven't done any UMO meters in a while. You guys got to hold me accountable. So we're at a resistant point right now with our Dixie. Retesting the highs. So this could be the opportunity for where the Dixie drops. However, a lot of people holding dollars for uncertainty, geopolitical and presidential uncertainty. You can see it in the market. So we're watching that as well. The S&P. Big rollover yesterday, but a good recovery. Recovery. Okay, so back in this channel, not mitigating this low. So now we look for this low to hold here, and we look for continuation. We'll see if we get it. The NASDAQ, heartbeat pattern yesterday, very choppy. Okay, we can see this yesterday as well. Zing, zang, zong, rolling over, coming back to support. Okay, it seems as though we have to raise the bar here a little bit for a support level. We'll see if this holds. But NASDAQ still looking toppy. Not really making any decisions here. So the NASDAQ's interesting. The Russell died yesterday. Can it bounce? That is a good question, right? Can it bounce? Let's connect some dots here, baby. Okay. Bitcoin looks like it wants to roll over. Okay, triple top coming out, inverse head and shoulders. Everybody this morning, right? Not us. Not us. We're ready. We're ready. Good morning to everybody who's just come in. Thank you for being here. Make sure you guys say hello. Jeanette, good morning. What did I miss? Not much. We were getting coffee. We've done the top-down analysis. The daily looks bearish, okay? But you get into like a 12-hour, 8-hour, 4-hour, you get a little bit of hope for a bounce, but not convinced yet, okay? Down seems more probable right now. With money coming out, seems definitely more probable. Bear div on the 30-minute time frames, hiking them Japanese candles or bullish divs. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So you got higher high, lower low. I see you. I see you. I see you. This is a strong support. Obviously, it has held. This is a strong support. We've had it marked out. 66.8, holding strong. Bearish momentum, though, right? Very toppy. I would say the 8-hour, 4-hour bearish divergence up here is stronger than the 30-minute bull diff here. However, doesn't mean this can't come up here and then down. Okay, we do have an area that I was going to share with you guys. That we are looking for a potential short if it does come back up. Okay, we are looking for that. We do have an area at 66, 65, 564 that we are interested in as well. However, if we do lose this support here, it's a very swift gap of volume, 2% gap down, okay, to about 65.5. That's something we need to be aware of, okay? That's something we're definitely going to be aware of. Good morning, Scott. How you doing, bro? Good to see you. One Harmony, good morning, gang, gang, gang. I mean, everybody wants to be in a gang. They just don't want to do the dirty deeds. Here you get away with it. Oh, man. Of course we want to make money. Who doesn't? That's the one. That's the one. Farid Brahimov. Good to see you, man. Farid Brahimov. Good to see you. R.S. Miller. Them damn commercials. I know, man. I know. Tool. Yes. Tool. I have lots of tools. I got a hammer over there. I got a tape measure right there. I'm not lying. I get the hammer if you want me to get the hammer. Okay, so right now, a little bit of game of chicken at the support level. You can long it, you can short it, you can do whatever you want. It's never financial advice. You are in charge of your destiny. Okay? Nice little choppy range within here, though. This high right here is what's making me bearish. Okay, let's be real. We pushed up. We didn't even get like into resistance. We just kind of recovered halfway up here. That would be nice. We'll wait. You guys come on here and you want the trade set up, and then I go, we'll wait. Patience. Wait, patience. I guarantee you I save you from making stupid mistakes. Or profitable mistakes, however you want to look at it. Maybe it stop you from making money. If the idea is not there, the setup isn't there, you haven't seen it before, you shouldn't be taking the trade. That's just common sense. But we all know how common sense is, right? That's why you guys are here, because it's common sense. Money's coming in. This is looking decent here on the short-term time frames. Okay, we won't deny that. But Mm-hmm. Volume starting to pick up. We got 15 minutes till market opens. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smashing up that like button. We got 78 likes, 111 people here. That's incredible. Thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Let's get into it. So, inverse head and shoulders. Now it's a regular head and shoulders looking to roll over. Descending channel, okay? Coming down to the lows. We do have good support in here. We are looking for a potential push up into our rejection zone in here and then back down, which is right around 68,400. So we'll be looking for that. Also, we can be looking for an SFP down below and a bounce up with a higher low, right? Creating strong bouncing and pushing our way upwards. Okay, so there's a couple ideas here. VWAP does reside right above us, holding us down. Okay, holding us down. So right now, this is looking a little bit bearish, like it wants to roll over, which could be quite detrimental to your portfolio. So make sure that you aren't trading your portfolio, you're trading your trading account. We always want to separate the two. That's always going to be the best idea going forward. So, yep, push aggressive through VWAP. We can look for a retest of VWAP and a continuation down. That's on the table, so we can look for this. Boop. And continuation down. We can look for a swing fail and a bounce out. So we'll keep our eyes on that as well. But right now, no trade. We're at the lows of the range, but right now I'm not convinced on a long. We'll wait. We'll wait, right? That's how we do here. We always want to wait. We have the highs up here that could be a target. Okay, and then clearly we are putting in lows right now. Our lows being at this 66,560 area. So that would be the mitigation point. If we are going to sweep, this would be our sweep that we're looking for. And then our highs are up here, right around 68,000, let's call it. Okay, so chopping around VWAP, we'll see what the market does present for us. I am looking for a potential short, but I will take the long. If the long's there, I'll take it. It's just I'm favoring a little bit more downside right now. So thank you, everybody, for being here. Smash up that like button. Join us in the Discord. We'd love to have you. Can you check how I see it in BTCTA, please? Yeah, we could check that, Michael. Remember the last bull run? You could throw a dart at a token and it would rip. I want to go back to that. Easy mode. I know, right? Easy mode. But we haven't entered this one yet. No, not yet. Not yet. I don't think we have entered the bull run yet. Last bull run was so much more exciting. Yeah, you guys are... I mean, institutions are here. Retail is broke. That's all I got to say. Of course it's boring. They're not fun like us. They're definitely not fun like us. A little bit of a push here coming into market open. We're going to check BTCTA. This is the thing. You get Michael's a paying member, and you get my attention all the time. I mean, it's a small community. I think that's the best part about it. Okay, yeah. You got your descending channel. You have your support. I'm not convinced on your support line here. I like your box down in here. Okay. This downtrend. Yeah, I like that. I like that. So that's definitely on the table for a breakout retest continuation up to that 68,000 mark here. And then, yeah, you need to hold this support. That's the doozy in here. So looking good. Absolutely. So I do like your little your trend line here. So this one here. Let's go. The trick to trend lines, sometimes start it from the beginning, pull it back, and then pull it forward. Okay? Look at how easy that was. Okay? I don't gotta go like up here and hope to hit. So you got this too. Breakout, retest, continuation. The thing is there's definitely a resistance level in here. Okay? So for me, that breakout retest could be a breakout support and resistance flip, right? Instead of a retest. And you won't get long down here. You'll get long up here. Okay? Just an option. Just an option, but I do like that trend line. I do like your levels. I agree. Now it's execution, right? It's decision making, it's execution, it's bringing it all together. We see money's coming back in here. That's looking okay on the 24. Coming up, retesting VWAP right now. Are we going to short it? No. Okay, we got 10 minutes till market open. We don't want to be messing with market open this morning. We got some earning reports coming out today as well, so we'll see how that affects the S&P. NASDAQ coming back down to retest support on the NASDAQ. The Dixie continues to rip, okay? So we want to see a big rejection here on the Dixie and start losing some structure, meaning breaking significant lows, right? And coming down. We're hitting resistance, though. Can the Dixie roll over? Will be interesting to see. Lose this trend line kind of deal, break down on the Dixie. That would be pretty incredible. We'll see if that continues to pop off. How's the stream going, everybody? Please let me know what the stream health is. Is it a lot better? We updated like the VPN and stuff like that. Hopefully it's a little bit smoother today. It seems to be smoother. Let me know on your side how it's running. I would have greatly appreciate it. We've had a lot of issues with this stream lately, so just trying to make sure that it's still running well. Best RWAs. Ondo's got poo circulating supply. I think there's a token on release on Ondo in January as well. We gave an amazing Ondo trade though in our Discord. Going to Ondo. Sheesh, what a trade. I was actually pretty surprised with the trade. I mean, banger. Banger, baby. Look at this thing. Whew. 20% trade on Ondo. Continuing to rip to the upside. So a little retracement here on Ondo. We'll see if that continues. All eyes on ETH. All eyes on ETH. Potential long trade incoming on ETH. Doesn't want to hold. It's broken out of this symmetrical triangle. Okay. Whoop. And now it's retesting. Is it going to hold? 2,800 being the big resistance on Ethereum. Okay. We'll see if that does bounce as well. There's a potential opportunity for a bounce here on ETH. If Bitcoin goes, ETH will go, right? So Solana showing strength as well. We gave the Solana idea yesterday as well. So holding this support line on Solana. We'll see. There's Hopium in the market. Of course, we've just ripped to the upside, okay? Things are stalling out at the top. We don't want to be buying the top, okay? So in a case like this, we want to be very patient. You guys love it. I know you guys love it. I know you guys love it. Be patient. Please be patient. I want you to dream about being patient. I'm sorry. I can't help myself. I just want you to be better. I just want you to be better, okay? Some good-ass coffee. That's what it's all about. Rejection off VWAP. Stalling out. A little bit of Hopium. Anytime you see a little bit of Hopium going into market open, you can expect the opposite, okay? So a little bit of push, right? You can see the volume came in. I got to add volume to this indicator. Yeah. Volume came in. These two candles, you can see, boom, boom, fighting here. Okay, rejection to push down. I got to save this template now. Scalp. Now we have volume. So I don't have to flip over to this one that has VWAP and volume. This is my higher term time frame setup. This is called the one. It's Neo, the one. You see up here, the one, and then you got scalp. Rejection off here. Push back. Stronger volume coming in on this candle, suggesting weakness in the bulls. Interesting. Break of structure to the upside. The only way I'm longing this thing here, the only way, is if we sweep the low here that we've marked out at 66,560. So that low, if we come down, we sweep the low and we put in a higher low and we reverse, okay? This will give us bullish divergence, I'm sure, on a higher term time frame, but that's the only way I'm taking a long from down here. Or if we push up with strength above the VWAP, we flip the VWAP, we create another higher low, continuation up into here. Okay? That's the other option. But nothing until then. This is where the hot dog resides. Okay? You guys like hot dogs? You got your mustard and your ketchup. You want to be in the nice buns. Okay? You guys like beautiful buns. You don't want to be getting slapped by a hot dog. Okay? Nobody likes a good old hot dog slap. We want to stay away from that. Okay? Make it very unappealing to get to trade the middle of a range. That's what I'm trying to say, is make it very, very, you don't want to be, you want to be on the outskirts, the nice juicy buns. You do not want to be playing with hot dogs, man. Get away from the hot dogs. Make it very, very clear. This is not where you're trading unless you have confirmation of VWAP flips, okay? And if you want to know what VWAP flips are and all that stuff, I just recorded a VWAP video. It's actually my most recent video on VWAP, okay? We got 4 minutes till market opens. Are we reminiscing still about the previous bull run? Double bottom on Ondo on the 15, but higher time frame now likely. Yeah, Caspa's running finally. That's good. That's good. How about AVAX? What are your thoughts? AVAX is your safest gaming play, okay? I do hold, I think it's like 12 grand worth of AVAX, but I bought AVAX low. Very low. Very low. Very low. I bought AVAX on the FTX dump. So, I can't say, hey, man, go buy AVAX. It's going to be an amazing ride for you. When I bought AVAX here, $8, $9, $9, $10 AVAX. That's where I'm at. So I can't say, hey, man, go buy AVAX. It's going to be a great time. Okay? I can't. That's not fair. I bought here. You didn't buy here. I'm almost a 3x. I'm more than a 3x. Yeah, 9, 27, 3x. Yeah. So you do what you want to do. But yeah, look at this. Symmetrical triangle on AVAX looking to break out, get above our key $32. $32 is the resistance, okay, on AVAX. Very clear. So downtrend, break of the downtrend, putting in the uptrend. Haven't mitigated this high yet, so you want to see that flip and out. Not there yet. Not there yet. But if there's a gaming play that's safe, Immutable X, Super, but AVAX would be the safest one, in my opinion. That's just my opinion. Okay? Bitcoin doesn't want to move. Bitcoin's stalling out. What else do you guys? Yellow X's on market cipher usually suggest manipulation or continuation. Yeah, continuation in my opinion. So if you typically see a yellow X after like a blood diamond. So I don't know. Let's see if we get it here. So market cipher A, turn it on. Let's go into, I don't know, 3 minute. Maybe it's, yeah. So you see, you get blood diamonds and you get continuation. So blood diamonds, continuation, right? Blood diamond, continuation, right? Continuation down, right? So you can see, that's how I would look at yellow X's. Now, if you want to read the technical paper on that, if you want to read the technical, you can go over to our Discord where we have, I believe it's in here, it should be pinned. It should be pinned. Here it is. Okay, yellow X's. There we go. Bearish. Cautionary sign. Possible whale manipulation. Measured move. Okay, there you go, right there, right from the Market Cipher agenda. Okay, very simple. Oh, okay. Look how fast I found that. Okay, there's some good stuff in here. Go to the pin section, divergences, you name it, you got it. It's all here. And some free books. Go and read. We got Trading in the Zone, Mark Douglas, Mastering Trading Psychology, Mental Game of Trading. Okay, amazing. Free books. Go and read them. Invest in yourself. Because no one else is gonna. So your job is to make your number one weapon in life is going to be up here. Your noggin. Use your noggin. Okanagan, whatever. Market is open, gapping down. S&P coming down for that low. Suggestion of continuation to the downside on the S&P, looking like it wants to bounce off of here. Let's see. We do have the other low to mitigate it as well. Okay, so we can come down. We can continue this into here and still have structure to the upside. Okay. This is rolling over. Bitcoin, rejection off VWAP. Still making higher highs. Sweep up. Push up, nothing yet. NASDAQ. A little bit of weakness. Look for this. Russell. Bouncing. That's a good sign. On the Russell. Dixie rolling over. Trying. It's trying. Indecision right now in the markets. Maybe it's really looking forward to that Tesla earnings tomorrow. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. Hopefully we're continuing to deliver. It's funny. Last week in the bull run, we had 200 people in here. Now we only have 130 people in here. So it's quite interesting to see how the numbers change, even in the viewership, right? Boring price action, right? So boring. This is looking like it wants to break down, in my opinion. Breaking down Bitcoin. A little trigger wave down here. Money's coming out. 24. Yep. Rejection off of VWAP possible. 1 hour. VWAP crossover to the downside. This is looking like continuation down. Red dot trying to print. Okay. Dixie pushing back. S&P still rolling over. NASDAQ pushing back. Russell pushing back. Bitcoin rolling over. No trades so far. Just weakness right now. Just showing weakness. Bitcoin just doesn't want to bite. I've been listening to Trading in the Zone. I'm having trouble with overthinking and not trusting my analysis. Then when the move comes, I do not enter, and then the pass. Okay. So, Luke, with that, what I suggest is, first off, lower the entry stuff. So reduce your entries by half at least, okay? Set the trade up like this. Let's say this is your trade. This is my risk. Set it and forget it and wait and let it play, right? Let it play and watch it and digest the feelings that you're feeling. And as you watch price action, don't change your decision. even if you get stopped out, because you're managing your risk. 1, you have your plan. 2, right? The plan, the back testing, the strategy is going to take the emotions, the overthinking out of it. It's the only way to do it. Okay, we're not robots, right? But the only way to mitigate what I think and what is happening is to trade a plan, right? And to manage the risk. If you're overthinking, you're probably not managing your risk. Okay? Therefore, you're putting yourself in a situation that's not going to be lucrative. So that's one thing I would suggest. Also, it's a prepared trader is a profitable trader, right? So having a plan, executing the plan, back testing the plan, knowing what's on the table, right? How am I going to manage this? How many losses can I have in a row until my account's blown, right? You should be only risking 2, 3, 4% of your entire account per trade, right? You need to have longevity in this thing. It's a nice sweep of the lows here. Bullish divergence pushing back. Lower term time frames. Okay, we've got a sweep here. Bull div. Pushing up. Pushing up. I like this. I like this a lot. What's the NASDAQ doing? Rejection, Russell. Flat. I like this a lot. Might take a long here. I like that sweep. I like that sweep. Bullish engulfing. Retest of trend line. Might fire off a long here. $861. $861. I would like it to come below this low here. We do have VWAP to contend with. I haven't fired off anything yet. I do like this. I like this low. S&P bottoming. I would like a break of structure. The concern is this low over here. We did not break that. 8-minute. Still waiting. No trade yet. No trade yet. I'm thinking a little bit lower. I do like that sweep though. There was strength. I do like that sweep though. There was strength in that move back up. Strength in that move back up. That could be just to grab some shorts. Let's wait. Let's wait. Make sure you wait. We're no trade yet. No trade yet. Looking for this low to be taken here. Something like this. Something like this. Looking for that. The devil's number. Devil's lettuce. Don't be smoking it. Okay? Not while trading. We can protect ourselves pretty cheap underneath this low. We would like to see a retracement on this move. We would like to see this retrace back up into this area in here. Indecision right now. Dixie's pushing back up. This is dumpage. S&P wicking down, sweeping that low. NASDAQ flat. Russell trying to push. Nothing yet. We just wait. Just waiting. I am looking a bit lower here. VWAP's being quite nasty this morning. Looking down here. This looks like it's going to roll over. Coming down. Coming down. Rolling over. Very nice. S&P holding. NASDAQ pushing. NASDAQ pushing. This is strong. This is strong. Strong. There's some strength there. There's some strength there. I still think Bitcoin wants to sweep. It's got the broom out, my friends. It's got the broom out. We want to be patient here. Bull div in here. Bull div now. Coming down again. Another attack to the lows. Be looking at 66.7. 66.7-ish? Nah. Let's go 66.650. Somewhere around here. Possible. That would sweep this low here. If we're going to get the bounce. Thank you, everybody, for being here. $24 money's coming up. I like this. I like this. Negative posturing. 1 hour. Let's check our 15. 15. Rollover. Bull div. Want to see this come down. This would give us the bull div on our 15. If we come down here, we get bull div. We're gone. We're back up. We come down. That would be ideal. That would be ideal. Come on down, baby. Just a little punch. Punch to 66,650. Just a punch to 66,650. That would be ideal. Not going to give it to us, is it? No, NASDAQ will give it to us. NASDAQ's going to be nice to us this morning. NASDAQ's going to help us here. Russell's flattening out. Weakness. Weakness, no strength here. Very choppy this morning, friends. Money's coming out aggressively on the short-term time frames. 3, 5, 8 minute. Yeah, money's coming out. No trades so far. Give us our move. That's all we want to know is we want direction here. This is very choppy, right? As we can see, no direction here. Strength on VWAP, right? Strength down here. Holding us down. You got mini bull divs in here, like mini bull divs. Like I'm not taking this bull divs when there's an opportunity down here for a 15-minute bull div, okay? There's that opportunity down here. So remember, higher term time frames are always going to be stronger, like this little bull div versus this one here, okay? Keeping an eye on the prize. Just waiting. Just waiting. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on down. Come on down to Funk Town. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smashing them like buttons. We're almost at 100 likes. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. If you are new, I would appreciate if you do subscribe. We're here live Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. We busy on the hump day. You know what I mean? We busy on the hump day. But we're here. We're trying to get to 5,000 subscribers by year's end, by January. Will we get there? That's up to you guys. If you feel like I deliver enough value, I hope I do. I continue to show up for you guys. I appreciate you showing up for me. I do. I know Dixie's ripping, baby. This is coming down. This is coming down. I'm not taking this long. I'm not looking for the knife, okay? The knife is off. We wait for this to sweep and then we get long. We're not no setting limit orders down here. Close your limit orders, please. Close your limit orders. Close your limit orders, please. I want to see the bounce from here, but don't you dare, not with the Dixie ripping up like that. NASDAQ indecision, S&P bouncing. Don't fade this, man. This is not something you want to mess with. Russell, a little rejection here. Russell, we should go on a shorter term time frame for the Russell here. Let's go on the 1 hour. Yeah, that's ugly, isn't it? That's ugly, isn't it? NASDAQ trying to push back. Trying to push back. The S&P flat. Bull div probably in here. Dixie. Bull div probably in here. Dixie doesn't give a shit. Dixie's doing the Diddy, man. He's freaking off. He's freaking off. He's freaking off to the races. Okay, Bitcoin trying a little push here. If we come up to VWAP, I'm gonna short this thing. Option 1. 66.5 for the bull div. Option 2. I mean, where are we gonna be cheap here? We gotta be super cheap here. Here we come, baby. Here we come. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Whenever we start speaking country. Is it speaking country or is that Texas? Confluence. That's what Piper taught me. Army Piper taught me confluence. And whenever we get some confluence down at this level, we can press buy. We can press sell. We're going to be ready. Thank you, everybody. Can't do the stream like that. I mean, we Canadian as fuck. I mean, what Canadian do you know who watched hockey last night while his son slept on him? That was me. My son was sleeping on me. And then I got Wolverine, the coolest Canadian comic book hero. Okay, he's Canadian. On a golden metal moose on my desk. This is my pride and joy right here. Have you ever seen a moose? Do you know how majestic a moose is? It's like a giant. It doesn't belong in this earth. It's so beautiful and humongous. Go watch some moose videos. When you see one in real life and it's as tall as your truck, then you'll understand. Okay? Then you'll understand. Six. Oh, Viva, don't be saying that. Don't be saying that. That's not healthy. That's not healthy. Dixie lotion. Oh, man. 1,000 bottles of Dixie lotion were found in Diddy's house. Oh, man. That's horrible. I do a lot of people watch the Dixie when trading BTC because it has a general inverse correlation to Bitcoin. When Dixie goes up, Bitcoin goes down. Holding dollars, holding assets, okay? Holding dollars, holding assets. So if the Dixie is ripping, which it has been since Jobs, it's been ripping. That means Bitcoin go down. People are holding dollars, okay? So inverse correlated. Bitcoin also trades very similarly at times to the NASDAQ, but recently it's been trading more like the Russell 2000, which is risk on. Okay, big rejection here. What are we getting on Bitcoin? Rejection here, right? Okay, Dixie and the Russell seem to be performing right now. We watch the S&P for guidance, right? So the S&P, we typically look for where is it going, right? So we gap down. Typically, gaps get filled. So yesterday we had a gap down. We filled the gap, then we dumped, okay? So what would we expect here? Fill the gap, then possibly dump. Same kind of deal. Okay, so we're expecting fill the gap and dump. Will we get it? We'll see. We'll see, but we use it as confluence into what's going on. Remember, crypto is like, what is it? How many $1 trillion asset? 3 trillion? The stock market is billion. It's insane. It's billions of trillions compared to. So we use that as an idea, right? Look at this rolling down. Roll in, baby. Roll on. Roll on. Give me that bull div, baby. Give me that bull div. Give me that bull div. Okay, so we use it as a tool to just add some spice. See, look at the NASDAQ wanting to pop off here. So this is a good sign of strength. Same with the S&P. So the Russell's rolling down. So a sign of strength on the S&P and the NASDAQ is possibly going to give us that swing failure pattern that we're looking for here on Bitcoin. Okay? This is rolling over. Clearly rolling over. Mitigating this low for a bull div on the 15-minute. We know that. Okay? And then we're looking to fire off the long. If we get the confluence. 650? We going 650? Come on, 650. 650? We're going to hit it? We're going to come lower? Remember, we do have 554 in here as well. We want to see it snap back to reality. Oop, there goes gravity. Choke, there goes gravity. He's so mad, but he won't give up that easy. No, he won't have it. No trade yet. Still waiting. Still waiting. That wasn't a good bounce, in my opinion. That wasn't a good bounce. Pushing down, volume coming in. First low has been mitigated. Second low's on the table right now. Okay. Second low's on the table. Coming down. I'm looking here now. I'm looking down here now. I'm looking down here. 66, 555. Come on, Bitcoin. What do we got in NASDAQ? NASDAQ's ripping. $66, 555. Nope. Mitigate the low. Mitigate the low. Looking for the low to be mitigated. Little bounce here. I like to bounce, but this could push back and keep dumping. And push back and keep dumping. We don't want to jump into that. Just waiting here. Let's go on the 1 minute degenerate time frames. Let's go. We have our key levels. This is why we set them up. That's why we set them up before we go live. Right? This will typically come back. Okay, rolling over, come back halfway, then continue to dump. Okay? Don't want to be caught here with our pants down. Okay? Still waiting. Volume coming in. Volume dying out a little bit on these last two candles, showing some weakness. Okay? Looking for this push up and then continuation. Push up, continuation. Push up. Okay, we're getting the push up, retesting the previous highs. Okay. Coming back down. Okay. NASDAQ, rejection, S&P. Okay. Russell, big rejection here. Bitcoin pushing up, retesting highs. Nice push on Bitcoin. Could have taken the long there, but not giving it to us. Wow, nice push on Bitcoin. Nice push on Bitcoin. Push right back up into that resistance level here. Wow. All right. All right. Back up into VWAP. Holy smokes, Batman. We could have taken that long there. Wasn't ideal for me. I would look for a retest now back to flip to support here. Coming back, wrecking the bears, wrecking the bulls. Okay, now we're looking for something like this. We have mitigated the high here. Now I'm looking to get long somewhere in here. Swept the lows. Swept the lows, looking to get long here. Hmm. 1 minute time frame. Degeneracy at its best. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel. If you did get long, maybe we're gonna bounce, maybe we're not. That's the beauty of trading. Remember, if you are in a long position, you're looking to protect yourself below those lows. Right around 66, 400, 500. Okay. Make sure you guys are using good risk management. I know you guys are. I know you guys are. I'm just reminding you. I'm just reminding you. It's my job. It's my job. What a snap, jack, crackle, jack. Looking for this. NASDAQ breaking out a little bit right now. S&P's kind of flat. Okay. Russell's still getting rejected. No trade yet. No trade yet. I'm not convinced on this move. We are not in any trade. Okay. Looking for this thing to potentially bounce from here. High or low. We have mitigated the high in here on the short-term time frames. Okay. We don't want to get overzealous here. Okay. That won't help us. Okay. Big volume spike sweeping up and down. No decision here. The S&P not looking strong. NASDAQ pushing. Russell flat. Okay. Dixie continues to rip. Dixie continues to rip. Might take a stab here. Might take a stab at a long. Something like this. Take a stab at a long. This is the buns, right? We want to trade the buns. We got momentum coming up in here. Bull div. Okay, 15-minute bull div as well. Remember we said 15-minute bull div. Look at all that etch-a-sketch we got down on the short-term time frames. Let's see if we can get this thing to push up. We in it, baby. We in it. I would like to see us come up to VWAP first and foremost. Okay? VWAP, first take profit, 67, 200-ish. We'll see if we do push from here. This is looking all right, in my opinion. We'll see if we can push. We in it to win it, baby. Let's go. Push, Bitcoin. Push, push, push. Push, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. At least back up to, at least back up to our beautiful trend line given to us by our friend Michael here at 67,300. We'll have to wait and find out. Protection below the lows. Okay, below these lows here. Always use protection, unless you want a child like me. Oh, man. We'll see. We're looking for that 15-minute bull div to work, right? That's kind of it. Money is coming down. A little bit of a rejection here, but we saw the sweep, right? The sweep. The Dixie hopefully gets a rejection here, pushing back up. We're pushing back up here. Okay? Come on, Bitcoin. Do your thing. Sit on that thing. Coming up to VWAP. We'll see if we can push VWAP. Let's go. 60. VWAP's coming in at 67, 139. I'm looking for a little bit higher than that. But 139. Let's go 150 for first take profit. Just for today. Let's see if we can get back up into these highs here. I wouldn't be surprised if we do get something along the lines of like this and then continuation. Holding this support level is going to be crucial though, 66,800. Okay, congratulations if you did take, maybe you guys took the swing at the bottom. You guys are brave as ever. I appreciate your braveness. Good to see. I like the mitigation of this structure in here. So a higher low's welcomed, okay? A higher low's welcomed. And there goes the stream. There goes the stream. Do. Did we just lag out? Are we lagging now? Can you guys hear me all right? Is like the sound still good? Is the sound still good? Put a 1 in the chat if the sound is still good. Is the sound still good? Yeah, so we can still do this. They asked if I was in. If you guys were here, you know that we were in. So it's definitely the video. Like it's definitely the video. So if this is fine, right? We just crushed the video. Then it's definitely the video. Okay. So it's definitely the NVIDIA broadcasting. Nothing else. Okay. Well, you guys don't need to see my face, do you? Do you guys want to see my face? You guys are probably like, nah, bro, you ugly. I see the ones. It's Dolby, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are in the long, taking this thing all the way to VWAP for a 2.2% move. Oh, 0.5%. Okay. S&P pushing. That's good. Retest, breakout retest on our NASDAQ. Russell looks like shit. S&P, Dixie. Oh, no. Oh, no. It's okay if we come down here. We've mitigated that low. Okay. We've mitigated that low. Protecting our risk. We're good to go here. 67.3. You can do it, Bitcoin. I believe in you. I believe in you. That was a good sweep of the lows. Requiring some patience here. We'll see if how patient it's going to make us, man. This is pretty cool. We're streaming past 10 o'clock without a video. I think we're doing all right. I think we're doing all right for you guys today. Okay? Making me light up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, crypto. When the night boom, 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 and the land boom, 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 and boom, boom, boom. It's only like we'll see. Boom, 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 no, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. All right, we'll see if this plays out. It's 10 o'clock. My video is ruined, but we're still out here having fun. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Mad love to you guys. We're in the long. We'll see if it does play out. Maybe I jump over to the Discord and say hello to all of you guys, but we're here. Have no fear. We'll see if it does play out. Mad love to every single one of you guys. Thank you.